Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay November 26, 2025 Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong November 26, 2025 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, November 26, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na mabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for November 26, 2025, Wednesday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Wednesday, November 26, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of November 26, 2025, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.